welcome back to DEE Diets. I'm so happy you're here. And if it's the first time you're here, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and share me out. Today, what am I doing in the kitchen today? Well, in actuality, I will tell you, it's 7 o'clock at night. Yes, it is. It's 7 o'clock at night. Haven't had dinner yet. And I went in the refrigerator and I said to myself, what is in that refrigerator that I could make? You know when you have little scraps of everything left in the fridge and you say to yourself, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I had a little bit of roasted red peppers still left in a jar. I had some grape tomatoes in my refrigerator. I'm going to take a piece of onion. Oops. I have a can of navy beans. Yes, I do. And I have some ham left over. Yeah, I do. So what can I make with that? What about pasta faggioli? Yeah, why not? It's delicious, it's healthy, and it's really simple to make. It's 7:15 at night already. Oh, you know, and I'm not kidding when I say that. It is 7:15 right now, and I'm thinking to myself, I gotta make something simple, quick, easy, delicious, and healthy, because it really is a healthy meal. Like I say, you don't have to see me, you really don't. And I will point it right into the pot where I have olive oil, or of course. I'm Italian. Do you think I do not cook with olive oil? I love olive oil. So I'm gonna put the camera down onto the pot and let's make something here because I'm hungry and so is Doug, and you'll join us for a little dinner. I would love it. So I have the olive oil in the pan. Doesn't that look fabulous? Glistening and golden. I love it. And I have the peppers. I have it on a medium heat. And I'm going to take the olive oil. And now these peppers, just so that you know, are in olive oil. Okay, they're in olive oil. I'm going to put the rest of the jar right in here. Oh, it's going to be fabulous. Ooh, there was a garlic piece in there. I love that. Okay, so we're going to put those peppers in. So simple. And we're going to take some garlic. Yeah, I have the jar of garlic. Why not? I'm going to take a teaspoon, a heaping teaspoon of, I'm Italian after all, for goodness sakes. Yes, I am. Okay. And we're going to let this saute just for a little while, just to bring and perfume the garlic out into the oil. I'm going to tell you something right now. Really, and let me tell you something. Okay, now everything is starting to do its thing in here. Can you see this? Sizzling, the olive oil is sizzling. Oh my goodness. Now, we're gonna take the tomatoes whole, just like this, and put them right in. And it's whatever I had left over, guys. So they're gonna bust up in the olive oil and they'll get a little squishy. But we're gonna let those cook for a minute. And then we're gonna chop up the onion. Okay, so let's chop this girl up. I had a piece of red onion in there, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to use some of this stuff. You know, nowadays you have to come up and be a little bit of inventive. You know, food is getting real expensive in the grocery stores, and it is. Certain foods are getting very expensive. So now I'm taking my onion, I'm sticking my onion in here. Now it could be red onion, white onion, Vidalia onion, whatever onion you have. The ham could be any type of ham. It could be smoked. It could be, most of the time I use the smoked ham. But I got that ham at Aldi's, and it's ever so good. It truly is. Now we're just going to let all this stuff come to the pot for a little bit longer. Let it get soft, and then I'm going to squish it up, let the onion start to caramelize, get soft, get translucent, and then I'll come back and show you. Now, with the potato masher, I'm just going to go in and mash up. See, the tomatoes got real soft. Oh my goodness. Oh, you didn't think I was going to sing for you too? There we go. See? They're all squishy, mushy. Oh, it's going to be so good. Now you have to remember that, and this is a piece of plastic I chop on and leave everything on so it keeps my counters really nice. Oh, you should smell this. Oh, it smells so good. Yes, it does. Now I'm going to take the ham. Yeah. The ham is already cooked. So I'm putting the ham in. Go. See how you can make leftovers. Go, go, go. And a can of navy beans. Any brand, any brand. And this, I'm going to mix it all up. I'm going to let all the flavors perfume with one another. I'm not sticking any salt in here. The ham has a little bit of salt in it. So do the beans. If you want to add extra salt later, you can. But right now, I'm leaving it the way it is. I'm going to take some freshly ground black pepper. Those are my dogs. Be generous. If you want to put hot pepper in here, you can. A little peppercino in here. Oh my goodness, it'll be delicious. Let it cook. Now boil some water and put some pasta in that water. And we're gonna have a fantastic, fantastic meal. I'll be back. So our water has come to a boil. I have a pot of boiling water on the stove. And typically you should use a small pasta. So in here I have some elbows, I have some dittidelli, I have small shells, and I have a pot of boiled salted water, and I'm gonna pour them in. There we go. There we go. I love these jars. I'll rinse this out, I'll fill this up, and this holds 3 pounds of small pasta. Isn't that great? Really is great. Let's put this to the side. Doesn't that smell? Oh, you should smell my house right now. I'm gonna stir that pasta, put a lid on it, and this is looking spectacular. All right, I'll be done in a little bit, and we'll sit down and we'll have some. All right, we're back, and you know Doug.
We're back.
Now, I wanted to do this rustic style. I have some...
Rusty? That's not good for you.
Rustic.
We had rust on our water, you know.
We did. They're doing the sewer pipes outside. I have some grated Parmesan cheese. Myself. I grated it myself.
Notice it isn't rusty.
No. It's beautiful. It's like snow. And because I want to be rustic, here's the pot. Oh, it's very hot.
Here's the pot, man.
I'm going to serve my husband, the king of the castle, naturally. And I just want you to see the goodness. Oh, doesn't that look fabulous?
Fresh.
The pasta is done al dente. And in Italian, that means to the bite. So when it's al dente, it's to the bite. It's not mushy.
Wasn't al dente a Mexican drug dealer?
Oh, now I think you just completely have lost it. This looks so good. It looks so good. It's so healthy. It really is healthy.
And now we'll procure some of this freshly ground cheese. Fresh.
Yes, I'd like some.
Look at that. Just like dandruff.
Yep.
Look at that. Look at that.
I slaved over this meal, don't you know? You know what? I'm one of those women, and I don't know about you, but we don't throw food out. We just cannot. We have to repurpose things. And especially nowadays, we have to repurpose.
You gotta see what we do with dog food.
Let's show our plates to everyone.
Okay, here we go.
Let's show. Get it as close as you can.
Close,
oh, doesn't it look good?
Close, close. Look at that. Delish.
Help me, Lord. Anyway, this is a simple meal. It is so delicious. If you're a vegetarian, you can leave out the meat.
There's meat here?
You can put, yeah. Now,
Oh,
typically with pasta fagioli, you would put oregano in here, but because I have the ham in here, I eliminated the oregano.
Why?
I don't know. I just felt like I needed to. But it's delicious with oregano. If you want oregano, you can sprinkle it. Okay. This smells so incredible. And you saw how easy it was to put together. So easy and healthy and satisfying and nutritious. And that's Buddy. Buddy just got out of the hospital. He was in the hospital. He was not doing well. And if you don't know who Buddy is the Talking Bichon. He has his own YouTube channel. And he's funny. So I have to try this because it looks absolutely delicious. How is it?
Lived up to its billing.
Did it? Really? Mm-hmm. Oh, good, good. Easy. So simple.
Mmm.
Mmm. That is so good. The pasta's cooked just right, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's just right. Now, what I want you to do is leave a little pasta water in the pot when you drain it. Because you remember, I didn't have that much liquid in with the tomatoes and all. Leave some liquid in and then just add it. And let me tell you something. The next day, it's even better. It's even better. I'm not even kidding.
It gets to season, to
yeah.
steep.
Oh, and believe me, you're eating this tomorrow night. Anyway, Buddy was in the hospital. There's all the rioting going on, right, tonight. Tonight, just so that you know, it is Saturday night. And all the rioting is happening all over the country.
Well, yeah, everybody's off from work. It's a weekend.
Oh, it's frightening. It's really frightening. You know, I feel so sorry for the man. I feel sorry for his family. I truly, truly do. There was no need for that. That was murder. That was murder to me. Yeah. And the 4 police officers that were standing there, you're accessories to murder. So you need to go too. But I'm not for all the looting and the destruction or anything like that in those cities. That I'm not for. I'm not. That I can't see. Peaceful protesting, but something's got to get done because I see the death penalty in his future. But I don't want to really discuss that because everybody has their own opinions to that. But all I know is my father was a New York City police officer. And I love my father. I love my father. He took a beating to the head, a bad one, from a gang member that had to be initiated into a gang, right? Yeah. Had to be initiated into a gang.
And the initiation was to kill a police officer.
And the initiation was to kill a police officer. And my father was just in a pizzeria getting a soda. It was August 19th, 1981. And somebody decided, well, this looks like a good cop to kill today, so we'll target him. And it was my dad. My dad never, ever held anything against anybody. He really didn't. But the guy got off, believe it or not. He got off. And my father died, passed away of Alzheimer's disease from all the blows he took to his brain. So I don't want to see anybody get hurt out there. I really don't. And it's frightening. It's frightening to see that. Delicious, delicious.
Delish. Fresh.
Are we going to have a summer of riots? I don't know. I don't know. But it's scary. It's a little scary now. Oh my goodness. This is so good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You could taste all the different flavors. You really can taste all the different flavors to this. I wish you were here and trying it. I really wish you were here. To your health. And of course, this is my Crystal Light, and it's so refreshing. It is decaffeinated, but it's delicious. I hope you try this.
This is my filtered H2O, and it's delish.
Well, we do have a filter system in the house to filter the water. The water.
The water, and as the Gindaloons would say, Chendan.
Yeah, that's right. And it's so good. This tastes delicious. This is really good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I truly do. It is so simple. You've seen how fast I made this in a pinch. You know, and if you have some leftovers in the refrigerator, toss them together. A little garlic, a little olive oil, a little oregano. Forget the meat, forget the peppers if you don't have it. Good olive oil, the key. And good Parmesan cheese. Good Parmesan cheese. Not the stuff you get in a can. Oh, no. Good, a nice piece of Parmesan. Grate it yourself. Oh, the taste is so much different. And of course, if I said to you before I didn't put salt in here, well, there was a reason for that. Because the cheese is salty. And it tastes just perfect. Doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't do it. I don't add salt to anything.
I do. Oh, that's my problem. What do you think, husband? That was really quick, huh? Quick, easy meal and a healthy meal. And I'm happy and I'm satisfied. I really am. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're saying, Dee, that's pasta. It's pasta. You shouldn't be having the pasta. I get it. I understand it. But like you, if I have some of these things laying around in my refrigerator, I'm sure as heck not going to throw them out. I'm going to produce a meal for us that's not going to last but one day. It'll give us 2 meals. It'll give us 2 meals. And we have no problem with leftovers either. We really don't. That's the prepper in me, guys. It really is.
Like I say, you have to see what we do with dog food. It's astounding.
Oh, you know what? Seriously, please don't listen to him when he acts like an imbecile. He does. You just do. You know, really. Anyway, it's good.
Oh, did we mention? It's good.
I'm loving this meal.
That's not peppers or tomatoes. Peppers. Red pepper?
That's peppers, and I had some little baby grape tomatoes and a little garlic in there. Just a little of everything. A little ham. It tastes so good, doesn't it? I know. I'm a fabulous cook. I really am. I'm really not. There's a lot of great cooking channels out there. That's all I have to tell you. Oh, my goodness. I got to do a shout out one day. I really do. On those. Because, you know, I'm going to say something too. A lot of people come to your YouTube page and it doesn't look like they speak English sometimes. And I can understand that can be hard for them. But a lot of times before I foo-foo people anybody away, I never foo-foo anyone anyway. I go to their channel. And let me tell you something. There are some phenomenal creators out there that are fantastic. And a lot of them have subtitles. And a lot of them are my friends now. They are. Because they have subtitles or I understand just by the cooking method that they're doing. Oh my God. It's so nice. It's nice. You know what I like about it now? See, I'm going to sound so philosophical at this point. I like to look at other cultures. What's the matter? You're staring at me like, what's the matter with you? Your nose is dripping. Here, wipe it.
It's the pepper. No.
What pepper? It's not hot pepper. Oh, for goodness sakes. Anyway, you get a chance to know other religions, other cultures. I find it all fascinating. I'll be honest with you. I love YouTube for that reason. You can find anything on YouTube. You really can. Oh, my goodness.
We have to find a possum channel.
I keep telling Doug he should have his own channel. He really shouldn't. He really should. It would be, what kind of channel would it be?
I don't know. Mukbang. Imbibing with imbeciles.
Yeah, there you go. Woo, hello. Well, I think I kept you long enough. Till I see you all the next time, my friends. Especially now. Be kind to each other. The heart. That's all that's ever going to matter. Ready to say goodbye?
And a good whoopie pie.
Oh my God. Goodbye, everyone.
Later.
Take it easy. Bye-bye.
Toodles.